I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls batter, only ways. Begin by warming milk and water to lukewarm, then stir in yeast and a pinch of sugar to bloom it. Whisk softened butter and eggs into the liquid, then add dry mix gradually until a smooth, slightly tacky batter forms. Rest briefly, then scoop into tins and bake until golden and springy for perfect rolls. Start by blending the warm liquids, melted butter, and any sweetener to form a uniform base. Then whisk in beaten eggs for richness. Slowly fold in sifted flour and salt while stirring just until incorporated so the batter stays elastic and moist. Aim for a texture that flows slowly off the spoon. Then cover and let the batter rest to develop flavor and structure before baking. Proof the batter in a warm bowl until it nearly doubles and holds a gentle indent when poked. Shape or scoop into prepared pans and let rise again briefly for light rolls. Preheat the oven so steam and heat create a tender crumb and crisp top. Bake until the rolls are golden and springy, then cool slightly before serving for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.